I would like you to do the reverse maneuver, please. So I would like to use that silver car there. Stop side by side and then reverse back within 2 cars length for the parallel parking, please. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
You understand my instructions?
Yeah.
Whenever it's safe to do so, please do this maneuver for me. Thank you.
We're way out, aren't we?
Have you done the maneuver?
Yeah.
Are you sure you done it?
I've done it wrong, I think.
Just confirm me if you're happy with that.
I'm not happy with it now. I'll try again.
Do you want to adjust it?
Yes, please. Yeah.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, drive off whenever you are ready, please, for me. Obviously, for the maneuver, yes, you will get a minor fault.
Yeah.
Now, you did graze the curb a little
Yeah.
bit. When you knew that you're getting closer,
Yeah.
what is the plan B? What we normally tend to do?
Straight. Obviously,
Full lock to the?
full lock to the right.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, you did do it, but by the time you do it, it was too
Yeah.
late. You needed it, so
Yeah.
it takes an action a bit early. So that will be a minor fault, okay,
Yeah.
for your controlling.
Yeah.